When doing any kind of cleaning or maintenance of your Juki single needle machine, first make sure to turn the machine off. Then, take out the needle and remove the presser foot. Next, slide the panel aside to reveal the bobbin casing and remove it. Then unscrew the throat plate and remove that. Make sure to put the screws someplace safe. Now, wipe down the underside of the throat plate to remove any lint. Next, lift the machine on its hinges from the tabletop. This is the inside of the bobbin housing. One of the ways that you can easily take care of an industrial machine yourself is to use a clean rag or small brush to remove any lint. You may want to use a little bit of canned air to remove the last of the lint. Only do this when you have the machine lifted up and there is plenty of room. You don't want to push the lint further into the machine. The oil pan below the sewing machine can also collect a lot of lint that can be cleaned out, as well as pins. Another thing you should be monitoring is the amount of oil in the oil pan. Oil keeps many parts of the machines moving smoothly, and if the oil remains too low, it can damage it. When you're done, gently lower the machine back into place. Replace the throat plate. Bobbin case. Presser foot. And needle. Wipe the area down with a clean rag or paper towel to remove any machine oil that may have gotten onto the surface of your machine. You don't want it to stain the garment you work on next. Safety note: oily rags can be a fire hazard, so make sure to dispose of them properly.